Morning everyone. Okay, how is everyone today? It's a Sunday and we're going to do a vlog today. I'm going to make some cinnamon rolls and I'm going to try a recipe. Ooh, did I save it? I think I took a picture of it. It's a pumpkin cold drink recipe and we're going to go to a store that I haven't been to in a long time. It's called Cost Plus World Market. And they have some English food usually in stock at the back of the store, so we're going to go have a little look around and see what we can find, because I wanted to go to the international food market, but it's a really long drive from my house and I didn't have time to go yesterday, and they're not open on Sundays. So we're going to go, the world market opens at 11. It's now 9:36, so I'm going to make these real quick and hop on over to the store, see what we can find. Okay, I've got the oven warming, 400 degrees, grease round cake pan. I have a feeling, because I'm not using a round cake pan, that these might come unswirled, but we'll just see how it works. Right, I really like these brushes. How easy is this? Okay, that should be enough. The worst part of this is opening the can. This is the worst part when it unpops. Okay, it's not gonna unpop. Uh-oh. All right, I'm gonna tap it. Whoa! See, it gets me every time. The icing part there, so we're gonna save up to one side. Yeah, I'm thinking that these might like start to unroll because I'm not putting them in a round pan. It'll work. Okay, these go in the oven for 13 to 17 minutes. Let me look at that recipe so I can make the drink whilst that heats up. Okay, so I asked for my coffee machine to do half a cup and it didn't. So I don't know if my coffee machine's on its way out. I need half a cup of coffee, 3/4 of a cup of milk. So I'm just gonna guesstimate these. Hopefully I won't spill it. So here goes. Ooh. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, so that's just regular strong coffee. This is whole milk. 2 of these are maple syrup, which I don't know why I've got maple syrup in my larder. I must have bought it by mistake thinking it was honey, because it's not something that we ever use. Okay, 1. Oh, it smells good. 2. So some whipped cream. And then some cinnamon. Oh, this smells so good. I mean, it looks the part, doesn't it? I'm gonna write the recipe in the description box because that's good. That's a nice little treat. Okay, how many more minutes? Oh, you know what? I forgot to look to see what time I put them in. I think it was 40. So I think they've been in 10 minutes. I always do that. My husband tells me off every time. I don't know if you can see me, but I can't reach the shelf. So I'm gonna use my little tongs. I use these tongs to pull down my shade as well at night. They look good. Woohoo! Okay. They didn't spread out too much. I think it's because I pushed them really close together and maybe they stuck together. Yeah, I was half imagining them to like all open up and unravel. So this was good. Let's see if I can take them out together. There we go. Out the way if I burn myself. Okay, I'm just gonna take a couple of Instagram shots and yeah, I might just tuck into one of these right now. Let's give one of these a go. They're still pretty hot. Oh, they're good. But you know what? There's another one. There's orange flavor. I'm not sure if the bun is orange flavor. I can't remember whether the icing is just orange icing. That one is really good. So I thought I'd show you real quick what I'm wearing today. It's just a t-shirt dress, but it's in autumnal colors. I got my little royal blue sandals on here. I like royal blue and khaki color together, and I also like khaki and hot pink together. I think they look really pretty. But yeah, I thought I'd look a little more autumnal today, even though it is just a t-shirt dress, just to keep cool, because it is still way above 90 degrees here. And yeah, let's go and find Cost Plus. Okay guys, I'm back from World Market and let me show you my little haul. Their prices weren't as expensive as I remembered them to be, so let's just dive right in. I haven't heard of this brand before. Let me know if in England you guys have, but Burt's, it's not familiar to me, but it's mature cheddar and green onion flavour. That sounded really nice. These were, oh my gosh, I think these were $5. Okay, this is what I went for. I went for digestives because it is the Queen's funeral tomorrow. I plan on getting up at 2 AM and having a cup of tea and some digestives. I'm not really a tea drinker. If I get together with my British friends and someone says tea or coffee, I generally say coffee, not tea, but I do have some PG tips in the cupboard, which I think it's only fitting to drink tea tomorrow, so tea and digestives. But yes, these were actually were they $5.99? These were $5.99, so yeah. Right, oh, the next thing, good Lord, I have never seen this before. It's Kit Kat, but look, honeycomb. Now I love a crunchy bar. I don't think I can eat a whole one like I used to easily eat a whole one straight away, but they're very sweet now. I don't know if they've gotten sweeter or wherever the sweetness is just a bit too much for me now. But when I saw these, I've got to give these a go. I'm gonna put them in the fridge, and I think my husband might even like these too. He does love Maltesers. That's his favourite. That and mint flavoured Aeros. That's his two British candies that he does love. Next, I got a shepherd's pie mix. I don't know how much this was. Do I have my receipt in here? I think I do. Hi everyone, today it's now Tuesday. Monday was definitely a no film day. I got up at I actually got up at 1:55 AM and turned on the TV, and I did not move from that TV until 9 AM. So for 8 hours I sat there completely glued to the TV, and wasn't it, as funerals go, the most perfect day. The rain stayed away. It was flawless. I think it was an absolute fantastic tribute to the Queen, and And when I saw the corgis and her horse there, wow, that was tough to watch. And also when they removed the orb and the scepter and the crown, that really was the end of her reign. And now it's going to take a long time for me to remember that it's not Prince Charles anymore and that it's King Charles III. Last night I watched a documentary on Queen Maree, and basically she had the same funeral. The Westminster Abbey, where people were filing past, paying their respects, literally was the exact same setup as Queen Mary's, except for the footage was in black and white and everyone was wearing obviously different clothes. But I had no idea that it was the same arrangement. I did know it was the same gun carriage because I saw that for, I think it was King George. But yeah, that was, oh, and I also watched a documentary about Balmoral Castle, and that it was Queen Victoria that bought that castle and basically built an extension to it. Yeah, it was really interesting. So anyway, yes, it's going to take a long time for it to sink in that our Queen is no longer with us. So right now I'm actually driving to Homegoods. I'm going to just have a quick look around there, and I need to pop to Home Depot to purchase something for my makeover on Sunday's video. So let's drive to Homegoods. Okay, I've just pulled up outside Homegoods, and for some reason it looks different to me. I think they've painted the whole shopping centre. I could have sworn it was like brown and beige before. Maybe I'm losing my mind. I'm going to ask them when I go inside, did they paint? Because I'm sure it looks different. Yeah, okay, let's go inside. Really blingy. These are nice with the leaves. $14.99. That's really nice. I like this. That's really pretty. $16.99. Those colors are gorgeous. We know how much I like a good mug. This one's really nice, and it's kind of, I don't know if it's picking up. Yeah, I think the camera is. You can see how wavy it is. Let's see how much. $3.50. No, I can't do it. If you need a full wreath, this is the place to come. I'm so surprised they have so much fall stuff. Okay, every time I go to TJ Maxx and I see a top that I like and I'm gravitated towards it, I pick it up, and it's 9 times out of 10 it's a Rachel Zoe top. Today I'm walking down the aisle and I see this little candle and I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. It's so cute. I turn it around, lo and behold, Rachel Zoe. So obviously I like her style. I think there's another one here. Yep. So pretty. Wow, I really like this table.
No, it's too dark, honey. I got pink.
That's a great price for that. Currently in Walmart, and I'm just looking at their table settings here. They have got a really nice choice of table runners, table settings, tablecloths. They even have these leather type wallets that you can put your cutlery in. They even have complete sets that includes the table runner, the napkins, and the napkin rings. Just not sure how much they are. Let's see. $36. Leather look. Table mats, round ones. Oh look, we even have metal ones here. Oh, these are nice too. We have the blues, a nice reversible table runner for $16, sorry. We got the black, the white. They got a really nice choice here. We even have like the metal look. They're plastic obviously, but $6.98. Yep, so if you're in need of a table setup, I check out Walmart. This one's my favorite, I think. It's a really nice material. I'm back from the store. Let me show you what I got. I only got 2 really little things from Homegoods, which is good. So that means I didn't spend a whole lot of money. I got 2 wrapping papers. They were both $3.99 each. And they're both Laura Ashley. No, they're not. This one's Laura Ashley and this one's Real Simple. But the pattern on them is really nice, isn't it? So probably not going to use this for wrapping paper. I've got another idea in mind for this. So anyway, those were the 2 small items I got from Homegoods. Then I popped to Walmart, a new liquidizer, or blender should I say. Ours died this week, so I had to get a replacement. And I just bought the least expensive one. This was $16. So, and this part is plastic, it's not glass, which I kind of like. I prefer the lighter weight ones. Anyway, $16 for a new blender. Then when I went to Starbucks the other day, I got a slice of their pumpkin bread and they warmed it up for me and it was really, really good. And I thought, I think it was $4 for a slice, and I thought I can probably make one of those for way less. So I bought a pumpkin bread, what's this called? Oh, then I bought a loaf pan to make the pumpkin bread in. So that will probably be sometime next week. Then if any of you guys have parakeets or budgies, I went and bought a new toy. Yeah, they just heard it, so they just went quiet. And I also bought this. Now this you can use for food or for water. So we're going away for a couple of days. So instead of having someone come in and water and feed them, I've got this. So I'm going to try it out prior to going away, make sure that they will drink from this first. So this was like $3 and this was like $3 too. A bag of seed, bird seed, this was $4. So this will last for a good 2 months, I reckon. The grandson's coming around on Thursday and I bought him this to keep himself occupied. It's a pretzel dipping kit. I've never used one of these before, but I thought he'd get a real kick out of making these, and then he can take them home to his sister and brother and his mum to eat. That was my little mini haul. It's hot in here, isn't it? It's hot in here. I'm gonna go put some shorts on. I've got jeans on, so anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go put some shorts on now.